Oh my gosh. That is incredible. There are some mornings that I put the video camera on, and there are a lot, but my goodness. I love the way that they're coming towards the camera. And they're slow. This is gorgeous. Stunning. Look at that word. Oh my gosh, I've never had so many come right towards the camera. The coming towards the camera is coming towards me. Look at that. This is astounding. And look what happens to some of the orbs when I say words like astounding and stunning. What's going on over here? Gosh, these are different. I mean, not different, but they're behaving differently. Wonderful. Thank you. Wow. Thank you again. These are absolutely stunning. You could tell that I'm really working on that. Not working, noticing the word stunning. Here's another one. It's like they flicker like lights. And the most beautiful, stunning array. And they dart so beautifully. Oh my goodness, thank you. Are there any more that would like to come towards me? You are so stunningly beautiful. Thank you for the privilege and honor of coming towards me and showing up for me. Thank you. Thank you for this very stunning, miraculous event. Stunningly beautiful.